Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Norwegian ebook before it's gone.
God natt. God morgen. Ha det bra. What do these words mean? Stick around. In this quick lesson, you'll learn basic Norwegian greetings that all beginners must know. Before we start, did you know that Norwegians have a unique approach to greetings? Can you guess what we usually do? Keep watching for the answer at the end. Hallo. Hello. Hallo. Hallo. If you were to use it in a sentence, you could say Hallo, det noen hjemme? This means hello, is anybody home? I'll repeat again. Hallo, det noen hjemme? Hello, is anybody home? Jack greets Steve at a networking event. Hallo, hvordan har du det I dag? Jeg har det bra, takk. Hvordan har du det? God natt. Good night. God natt. God natt. If you were to use it in a sentence, you could say God natt. Jeg skal sove nå. This means good night. I'm going to sleep now. Steve and Tom say good night after watching a movie. God natt. Jeg har hatt det hyggelig. God natt. Vi ses I morgen. God morgen. Good morning. God morgen. God morgen. If you were to use it in a sentence, you could say God morgen. Vil du ha litt kaffe? This means good morning. Do you want some coffee? Kjersti greets her friend before heading out on a hiking trip. God morgen, alle sammen. God morgen. Hyggelig å se deg. Hyggelig å møte deg. Nice to meet you. Hyggelig å møte deg. Hyggelig å møte deg. To use it in a sentence, you could say hyggelig å møte deg. Hva heter du? To translate, this means nice to meet you. What's your name? Lisa greets a new student. Vennligst kom inn. Hyggelig å møte deg. Takk, det hyggelig å møte deg også. Hvordan går det? How are you? Hvordan går det? Hvordan går det? To use it in a sentence, you could say Jeg hørte du var syk I går. Hvordan går det? To translate, this means I heard you were sick yesterday. How's it going? Steve greets Tom at a party. Hyggelig å se deg her. Hvordan går det, Tom? Jeg har det bra, takk. Hvordan går det med deg? Ha det bra. Goodbye. Ha det bra. Ha det bra. So, for example, blir du med på fest? Nei, jeg skal hjem. Ha det bra. To translate, this means, do you want to join the party? No, I'm going home. Goodbye. Jack says goodbye after meeting with Steve. Ha det bra. Ses igjen snart. Absolutt. Ta vare på deg selv. Let's review. You'll see the words in English, and your job is to say the words in Norwegian. Ready? Do you remember how to say hello? Hallo. Hallo. And how to say good night? God natt. God natt. How about good morning? God morgen. God morgen. Do you remember how to say nice to meet you? Hyggelig å møte deg. Hyggelig å møte deg. And how to say how are you? Hvordan går det? Hvordan går det? And finally, do you remember how to say goodbye? Ha det bra. Ha det bra. Did you know Norwegians have a unique approach to greetings? Can you guess what we usually do? In Norway, a firm handshake is the most common greeting. Among close friends, a hug is common, but cheek kisses are rare. Norwegians value personal space, so greetings are usually brief. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to practice these new words and phrases, and see you next time. Ha det bra!